Here we have this 70 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights, the kidney grills in the centre in black, and we've also got the front splitter at the bottom, making this front end look very aggressive. We've got the front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display, 19-inch BMW black and diamond cut wheels with the side skirts across the bottom. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles, door mirrors and shark fin antenna. Now this vehicle does come with £6,500 worth of factory extras. One to mention is the Portimao blue exterior paintwork. As we make our way around to the rear, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust integrated into the diffuser at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this vehicle does look good from every angle. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, so as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with a grey stitching, isofix points in the armrests in the centre. We've also got the M Sport stitching on the seat belts, climate control for the passengers, electric windows with the door handle, premium Harman Kardon sound system and the ambient lighting running through the door. Onto the front seats, you can see we've got the same styling, all black leather with a grey stitching. Both of these seats are heated as well, and there is a look at those. We've got the electric windows on the door with a bifold mirrors. We've also got the door handle, again with a premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside and turning this vehicle on. It is a keyless start, so my foot is on the brake. Press the start button and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. Onto the left hand side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume button with the heads up display menu button just here with the paddle shift behind. Taking a look at the heads up display there, it is flickering in the distance, and if I just press that menu button, you can see that it comes up on the right hand side. Coming back to the dashboard here, you can see we've got the rev limiter on one side. Onto the satellite navigation in the centre, we've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media and Spotify. Bluetooth phone connectivity. If I just go to the home button, and if we just scroll down the left hand side into car, if we go up to settings, into the interior lighting, you can see this vehicle has the ambient lighting. At the moment I've set it at purple, and you can see it runs nicely through the dashboard there into the doors as well, where the Harman Kardon sound system is. Back onto the home screen, if we just go down to apps, you can see that this vehicle also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Onto the home, we're making our way down. We've got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window with the air conditioning. We've also got the wireless phone charging with the cup holders just here, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes button, and we've also got the dial with the manual functions for the screen. So if we just press the drive mode button here, you can see it comes up with all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse. And as you can see on screen, we've got the rear reversing camera with the guidelines, and we've also got the sensors on the right hand side. Popping it back into neutral, making this car safe. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.